Respawn. Okay. Getting.
I think you have the wrong mic on TeamSpeak, no?
Let's fucking go. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Let's go through palisades, guys.
Yep.
If A is not capped, we should cap A for them. Or help them.
We're gonna stay on B. We're not rotating over on
Okay.
A.
Okay.
So push through palisades and
And
then
fuck
stay
the back
B.
line of them.
Yep.
Oh, they are a lot. Okay.
Yeah,
Get ready.
Uma group is going to A.
Second on you. Hit the mackerel again. Mackerel again. Survival here, hitting Tupac.
Just play live.
Tupac again.
Play smart.
Second under me.
Yep. Cool. Fully rooted. Yeah, we have a lot of people.
Okay, let's
They
push.
go A.
Move
I'm
in
gonna
closer.
pressure them tank right now.
Yeah, pressure.
3 by bomb.
Oh, one was very low there.
Second mackerel. I'm stepping the point.
On the road. They fly.
Interest.
One was bottom of the point, very low. You wanna screen it? Oh, fuck it.
Coming back top point. He's out of stamina.
Try to step point, guys, at the same time.
Yeah, I'm stepping point.
Hit into back.
More people step on me, more people step on me.
Yeah, step, guys. Hit the mackerel again.
Point now.
Second left.
The Chicks is a healer.
Hit the mackerel.
I have one more
Second mackerel.
inside the point.
Step on me, step on me.
Bottom left.
Start stepping on me. We're gonna make a wave on bottom left. 3 seconds, wait on bottom left.
Yeah, going back to this. Yeah.
One, that goes bottom left, that goes bottom left. Response in 2 seconds. Nice.
Respawn's coming in. Respawn's coming in. Push top point.
We have gravity there, nice.
We're getting B now.
Yeah.
Yo, Macro, whenever you die, please check if you have the right mic in TeamSpeak, because I think you're talking with your webcam right now.
Clear light grenades, let go. Clear light, clear light.
Pushing through palisades, guys.
I'm going to palisades and then we're gonna take left side.
Second to back.
I'm going palisades left side.
Hit in mackerel. Mackerel again. Mackerel again. Second under me, they are pushing me, be careful.
I'm going out to
Okay,
left
we
side.
go.
Our position.
Mackerel, you are so deep.
Yeah, toxic.
Back.
Respawn 10 seconds.
Yeah. Yeah, we go on the right side.
Regroup call. So let's meet up top left. Sorry, not right.
Guys, I'm at the palisades.
Okay.
We're supposed to play
We're
right
playing
side,
bottom
no?
right.
We
Bottom
go
right,
right
yeah.
side, okay?
Bottom right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming to you, Mackerel.
We're pushing in now.
Also.
Okay, I'm with Mackerel now.
Coming.
We do macro, we have gravity on me.
Oro is slowed. Stuck on the wall.
That's fine.
He got separate.
Start stepping on left side.
Moving up, and we do two pack. Holy banana is pushing.
Hit him to pack.
Keep going, keep going.
My demons
Good.
are coming. Gonna grab
That's
on this guy.
maybe.
Oh, you are fine, you are fine. Okay. Ah, fuck.
Oh shit. Need healing fan.
And that's
Regroup again.
Oh, I'm dead here if I don't.
Careful.
Nope. Coming in right away.
I'm on my way with haste.
I'm bonfire now, moving on to the right side.
Maybe Space is the healer from them. I should get him. Yeah,
I'm chasing their healer.
yeah, I see it.
We have people pushing our healers.
I'm with you.
Slowed.
Oilumu, moving away. Yeah.
Gonna grab on the healer.
Yeah, perfect.
Hit him to pack.
Hitting on the guy.
To pack again.
Yeah, Space is down.
hit the Mackerel. Hit him on leg.
Oh, careful.
They're coming out.
Second on you.
Yeah, sacred. Holy banana and
They're
go.
chasing us. Holy fuck.
Go for holy.
Trez, I'm trying to come to you. Healing Trez. Again. Hit the Mackerel. Again.
Thank you.
Second on you.
He's out of stamina. Oilumu.
Yeah, we have to get the healer. Oro is just disrupting us.
I know the healer, but they are a lot.
Yeah,
Second Mackerel.
I try
Lumo
to go for him.
doesn't fucking care about us.
Yep. And we do two pack.
Oh fuck.
Going in with
30
that.
seconds.
Hit the Mackerel. Again. Be careful, guys. They're pushing me too.
Yep, stepping away.
Nice. What's it?
Look on four.
Hit the Mackerel again.
Trying to get away.
Again.
Oh, we have to.
Let's push up.
Okay.
Right side. Banana. Press out.
Another slow.
Second ready.
Good push, they're backing off.
Second on to pack now.
Yeah, nice. Oh, that
This
was a
fight
nice
starts
scream.
very low.
Fuck.
Holy banana in one shot.
Bomb.
Dead defense. Yeah, let's keep playing Palisades if we can.
Sacred ready. On 2 pack now.
Oh, there's a one shot on the Palisades.
Alec now.
Thanks.
Alec
Going
again.
back Palisades.
I'm not of pressure, but.
I'm on top of Palisades.
Ah, fuck.
Sacred 2 pack.
They have muskets at the hall.
Be careful, they're pushing me. Sacred under me.
Oh shit.
Heal and macro. Find that sacred on you. Heal and 2 pack. 2 pack again. Macro now. Heal and 2 pack. They are still pushing me, be careful. Heal and macro. Ah, staggered, be careful.
Ignore your Lumo. He's just annoying.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't need build, you just play survival.
Try to push up.
Okay, I'm with you.
Half HP on a lot of them. Regroup cold. Don't over push. Stand our ground if you can. Don't over push. I'm going back to road. Ten seconds to respawn. Push it on respawn. Right, let's take position now. Right side.
Hit a macro.
I'm with you to back.
Healing 2 pack. 2 pack again.
There's so many
Sacred 2 pack.
stuns, Jesus.
Yeah. Hit a macro. 2 packs a bit. 2 packs a bit now. Sacred macro. Healing 2 pack.
Playing sacred.
Healing a leg.
Let's try to keep our position close to Palisades.
They are pushing me so hard. I'm dead.
Okay, play life, we have no healer.
On my way. With haste.
Yep.
Still on my way, like 2 seconds.
Yep.
Heal him, Alec. I'm here, right? Heal him, Marshall.
Thanks. Pushing up again.
Heal him, Marshall. Marshall again. Set it on you.
I'm good.
Healer down.
Two packs a bit. Heal him, Alec.
Okay, I saw the one.
Hit the marker. Mark the circuit.
Gosh.
Circuit under me.
15 seconds. You're gonna die there now.
Can't tell, guys, be careful. I'm okay now.
I'm out. Off point. Circling around.
Hit it back.
Don't worry. Ten seconds.
Hit Alec. Circuit Alec.
Guys.
Trying to come you Alec. Hit an Alec. Oh.
Coming
Two
for you,
separators. Don't peel me, just push them. Hit interest. Marker. Two pack. Back again.
Let's try to push to the palisades again. Alright, find you 2 pack. Just run through. Run through. I'm fighting by the cannon.
Hit into pack. Again.
A lot of healer free casting here. Nice.
Second two pack. Hit Alec, Alec again. Marker now. Second two pack. They respawn here, be careful. They respawn here, be careful, survival here. They're pushing me, be careful. Hit into pack.
Try to do the same push again. We have good control when we have the palisades.
Yeah. Hit into pack. It's a bit. What the fuck, man? I'm dead. 5 seconds. Respawn now. I'm on my way through process.
Still playing by the tree and cannon. Come on, Blaze.
Sacred macro.
Going back playing Sacred.
Step the point, guys. Try to step the point. Yeah, we got it. Get into back. Can't tilt the back.
On wood, top roof.
On my way.
We're going through B now.
Get into back now. Yeah.
Where we are playing?
Let's help the point,
Try to
Thorn.
find strugglers and kill them.
Michael, I'm coming to you. Hitting you.
I'm trying to get away. Nope.
Wow. I'm hitting the horn, guys. At the C gates.
The place not kept.
Okay, I'm going to be now.
Yep. Meet up at
Hitting the horns.
Okay, keep safe, breach.
They are pushing, be careful. Yeah.
Any jumpers behind us? Nope.
Hitting to the rest.
I'm going in.
To rest
Taking
again.
place. Backstage.
I'm inside.
I'm back 8. Oh, backstage, sorry.
Guys, somebody should
Guys on top of the dead zone.
somebody should call where we playing Killer Mackerel. We are so separated inside.
I'm in the part of the dead zone.
Okay, let's go to that zone, guys. I'm trying to stay at the dead zone. Sacred. Yeah. Go down that zone.
Backstage, they're jumping from above. Watch out. Fell down to red zone.
Speed is on that one. Far away, looking them.
Be careful, respawn is coming. Be careful, guys. Play survival here. Hidden to pack. Can't kill Mackerel, I'm at the bottom. Hit a Mackerel. Second Mackerel. Now.
10 seconds.
Lot of guys low HP on dead zone.
Okay, play that zone, guys. Still.
I'm going dead for the dead zone now.
Hit a
They're
Mackerel.
calling regroup.
Second ready. I like again.
Yeah,
It's regroup call, guys.
I need to try to get out.
Get out. Or die. Nothing to do. It was only us inside.
I'm out.
Yeah. Oh, max time again.
I'm running back to B gate.
I'm at the big gate. Should we go on to walls, guys? They are rangers. Casting free. Maybe we should go on the walls.
Yes.
20 seconds. In 5 seconds, side gates are gonna push in.
So let's try go on to walls after spawn.
Yep.
Left or right walls? From which stairs? Let's use the right stairs, guys.
Right side, right side.
Yeah, it seems more safer.
This one's an icon.
Okay, we will go onto right stairs, onto walls. Okay, they are pushing.
BD pushing.
Wait for a while. And... Okay, let's go to the walls from right stairs.
Yep.
Meet you, Macro. Go. Here. Not there, walls.
I need to pot.
Yeah, come with me, walls.
Coming.
They are rangers free casting here, guys. Come here. I'm on the walls.
Just like what a
Push.
On battlefield.
Okay, you can jump down. You can jump down.
One coming up. I'm going down there. Something out. Ones are there.
I'm dead. Be careful.
Okay.
Long respawn.
2 minutes, let's go.
45 seconds.
Look more in the dead zone. Like 40 was recasting there.
It's long respawn. You can maybe get some kills and one. No heals. Be careful.
20 seconds to make this spawn.
10-second respawn. Be ready to survival. Their respawn will rush onto you. Respawn now, guys. Be careful. I'm coming with haste.
I'm jumping down there to play safe.
Okay, I'm inside. So we are playing that zone, right?
Dead zone and backstage.
Hidden Tres again.
On backstage. If it's clear, we can jump. I'm backstage again.
Okay, I'm with you. I'm at the dead zone. I'm at the dead zone, at the bottom of the dead zone. Heal him
Oh
up.
shit, I'm stuck.
Can't heal you.
Body blocked.
I'm at the bottom.
No, I'm gonna get out. Please, 25.
Okay, Nalek. 2 pack. I'm at the dead zone still. At bottom dead zone. Alec again. I'm dead, be careful.
I'm coming in through A.
Oh, fuck, my
Dead.
leg. Nice.
No.
Oh, defeat, man. What the fuck? It was... I thought it was a win. Holy shit. It was so close. Yeah. Guys, GG, well played. Nice try. Mackerel, by the way, our voice is reflecting from your voicers.
Oh, is it? Okay, thanks.
Yeah. I mean, it was like that all the time, but it's okay, no problem.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
Okay.
Thanks for the notice.
So, GG's guys, good nice, see you around.
GG's.
disconnected.